Morning everyone, this is Jeannie. I just thought I'd come out here and listen to the birds. They stopped singing a little bit. These are my hydrangeas that I planted. There's just two. My gardenia, and these are the ferns that I cut down a little bit. And there's my little bird feeder. I don't know if you can see it. Glass, and it has sugar water in it. There's my avocado plant that I planted from a seed. I need to plant it somewhere after my husband gets going on the yard. This is where I come and sit. Listening to the birds. I don't know where they are. There's not that many out today. It's going to be a quiet day. I don't know what projects my husband's going to do today, but at least I'll have my kitchen ready. Again, I'm going to wash the floors, vacuum all my rugs. Let's see what else is on my list. Yeah, I just wanted to show you my beautiful flowers. I love hydrangeas. Aren't they pretty? I got a pink one and a blue one. And I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of this dirt. See the bottom of those ferns? That's what I clipped so that there was nothing around it, no leaves. I live in the woods. That's why there's bears. We had a bear attack not too far from here. The bear killed a dog. But the person may not have taken precautions. It was sad. I haven't read it in the paper yet. I just saw it on the news, but how sad. You have to be careful. I feel like if you live in the woods, you have to be careful, and we do live on the edge of a huge forest. It's quiet and peaceful, but you have to be careful. Anyhow, that sable palm out there, I have to figure out why it's looking like that. I think it has a disease. I hate to throw it away. But anyhow, there's squirrels up in the tree. Have a good morning, everyone.